I want you all to know that all content creators do this. It is nice shirt on top, sweats on the bottom. It's just what we all do, because why? No one's gonna see bottom half, right? Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well. I told you guys I would be making a comeback and I'm trying to keep that promise. I have 3 videos in total that I am looking forward to filming. This is one of 3, and as you guys can tell, this is going to be a March favorite video. I haven't done a favorites video in what seems like a very long time, so I hope this is something you guys are excited on watching. I know it is a little bit late because we are like 8 days in April at this point, but I figured someone would watch it. I don't know. But anyways, if that is something you are interested in, please go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to mention are foundations. And the 2 I'm going to mention are the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundations. I have mentioned these on my channel before. I made a TikTok including these on the best foundations for dry skin as well. These foundations are amazing, a dry skin person's dream, and they are amazing to work with. I love the packaging, I love the formula. The shade range, everything when it comes to this foundation is amazing. I love that you can buy refillable cartridges so you're not using much waste. This foundation is perfect to travel with because it is not glass. It's not going to break and stuff like that. It has not leaked on me this far. I just love this packaging so much. I like that it comes out in like a little squeezy tube like this. And I have 2 shades of this. That's how dedicated I am. I have a winter dedicated and summer dedicated shade. So I have shades 4N and 6N, which I love these 2 so much. So this foundation does retail for $46 and it is on Sephora. It is a skincare hybrid foundation with medium buildable coverage that effortlessly creates a natural looking skin-like glow. The finish is radiant and the coverage is medium. Yeah, I love it. I will definitely repurchase these if I ever run out, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. So yeah, check these out if you're interested in a foundation for drier to normal to dry skin. Next product is a setting spray, and these are products I think I have mentioned on my channel before, maybe not 1 or 2 of them, but you guys can tell that I am showing products I actually love and enjoy. This product is the Body Shop's Makeup Setting Spray. I love this so much. On here it says it's an all-day wear, fade, and smudge resistant, and it is made with aloe vera. I love this setting spray. It is so good. This is in a 60 ml packaging. I love the spray. I love how it like applies. The thing with this is it might freak you out at first because it sprays a lot and you're like, oh my god, my makeup's ruined. But it just sets down so nicely. You guys, this is so nice. I love using this in the morning when I'm like getting ready for work. I feel like it just definitely adds on to the hydration if my skin's kind of looking a little dry that day. I love that this sets in my makeup as well and makes sure that it has the hold, but it also gives me the hydrating finish that I am into as well. Now this retails for $12, which is an amazing price point. On the website it says that it is an anti-fade and anti-smudge weightless spray mist that helps keep your look in place from beach to bar. Gone are the days of drying fixing sprays, enriched with community fair trade aloe vera, suitable for sensitive skin, and the formula locks in moisture as well as your makeup. So like I said, it gives you the best of both worlds while providing moisture but still giving you the lock and hold that your makeup it needs if that's something you were looking for. So I definitely recommend. As you guys can see, I've used a very good amount of this. So yeah, definitely check it out. It is very reasonably priced. Okay, next product is a product that I feel like is one of the first things I'd ever get if all of my makeup disappeared, all of my products disappeared. And this product needs no introduction because it's been featured on my channel so many times. This is none other than the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. You guys know I love this to use as a primer. This is amazing. If I'm going traveling and I can only take 1 primer, this is the one I will take, and I have done that when I traveled to Europe last year. You guys, this is so good. This gives you a glow. This gives the hold. This is just so good. It's like skincare and primer all together, and I love it. Although this is not necessarily advertised as a primer, I know a lot of people use it for that because the consistency and the texture it leaves you with once you apply it is just amazing. This wears so well under foundation. If you have a matte foundation for some reason and you're dry or your skin feels dry that day, put this under it and just watch that foundation transform, because this makes everything look good, you guys. I cannot stop saying good things about this. It is so good. Now this is on the pricier side. This retails for $47, but you guys, I bought like 4 or 5 of them at this point. Highly recommend. Definitely worth the price. And you get 40 mils of this. And on the Sephora website here, it says that it's a breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy, reflective glow without mica, glitter, or gray cast. So good, you guys. So this is going to be long-term good for your skin in general, but it wears so beautifully as a primer. I love this stuff. You can get a smaller size of this on Sephora as well for $26, and there is a Sephora sale, so definitely check that out if that is something you're interested in. Would highly recommend, you guys. This stuff is so good. Okay, next product is something that is on the less expensive side, so hopefully that is something you guys can look forward to. I love this product, you guys. I went and bought another of this, even though this one is not done, because I didn't want to be out of it. Now, if there are days where I feel I'm particularly dry and I'm using a moisturizer that my moisturizer is just not doing it for me, I will go ahead with this. This is called the Inkey Polyglutamic acid, and this says on the bottle here that it helps lock in moisture. Now, if you guys are unaware, the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum is basically filled with polyglutamic acid, and that retails for a very considerably high price tag, and this is just that ingredient essentially on its own for like a fraction, like triple, no, for a fraction of the cost. I don't know, you guys, I'm fasting, ignore, I can't even like put my words together. But yeah, this is so good. I wear this under my foundation. I'll use it before primer. I've mixed this in with foundation. It is so good. I definitely recommend everybody try this, even if you feel like you're on the more oilier side. It does not make you like shiny or oily. I feel like it just adds on to like a hydration that's like deep below the skin. Like, I can't even explain it to you guys, because I used to use oils thinking that, oh, this will just help my foundation like better, like I'm feeling dry, but no, I felt like the oil would just sit on top, whereas this, I feel like it just absorbs into your skin. It gives you hydration beneath the like surface area of your skin. Like, it just gives you below the surface hydration, which like I feel like I love the way my foundation looks. Like, I don't look shiny and greasy, but I look like hydrated and like balanced, and I love the appearance of that personally. So you can get this product at Sephora. This is $18.99, and you can get this is, what size is this? This is 30 ml. And yeah, I love this stuff so much. It says on here that it is a powerful surface hydrator that smooths and plumps the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing a perfect makeup base. So yeah, definitely check it out, you guys. It is so good. Go feel the texture at Sephora if you can. It comes with a pump. I love this stuff so much. It feels so good. Like, I just applied it and there's no dewiness or shininess to my skin, but it feels so hydrated and soft. I can't explain it. You truly have to feel this texture for yourself to see what I'm talking about. Okay, last product is something I cannot believe I took so long to try. Now, you guys, I will forever sing the like praises of how important sunscreen is to your skincare routine, and it is the most important step that you can possibly implement in your skincare routine. If you're not going to do anything for your skin, at least apply sunscreen. It is the biggest secret for anti-aging. The sun is not your best friend when it comes to skincare. It is not good for you in long term. It can lead to aging, it can lead to sunspots, it can lead to skin cancer, it can lead to so many bad things for your skin, and sunscreen will be your best friend if you don't use anything else. It is something I recommend to everybody, and for a long time I found sunscreens that I wasn't crazy about and ones that I absolutely hated, but I still continue to use them just because I knew the importance of sunscreen, and I knew it's not something I can skip just because I don't like it. So the issues I felt like I had were sometimes I feel like I would just rub it in and it wouldn't go anywhere. There was that white cast, because if you're a person of color, that's just what tends to happen. You're gonna have a white cast with your sunscreen, and I just didn't like the smell and the feel of them. And to be honest, this did not stop me from using them, like I said, because I was like, no, it's too important to skip. But I just thought that's something that I'm gonna have to get used to with incorporating sunscreen into my skincare routine. But no, you guys, I found a sunscreen that I am crazy about. I feel like it's the best sunscreen I've ever used. It is so good. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Lotion Sunscreen. I have SPF 30 because it is currently very low UV rays and UV, like, I don't know what is it called, UV setting something in Vancouver, so I don't feel the need to use anything higher than that at the moment. But during summer for sure, I don't feel like SPF 30 would suffice for your skin, and I would definitely use SPF 50. And I did see in Walmart the other day that they do sell an SPF 50 of this, so I cannot wait to purchase that as well. You guys, this is so good. This does not give you any white cast. It has the perfect amount of hydration, but you don't feel greasy. The texture of this is so nice to work with. This has hyaluronic acid. I'm going to show you. This is so, it's such a dream to work with. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to blend this in. And it's like a watery almost texture, and it blends into nothing, you guys. There's no white cast on this. It sets and you don't feel like you have any like greasy oiliness. It doesn't feel like there's an oil mine on your face. It just wears so nicely under makeup. It does not break up my foundation, which is an issue I had dealt with past sunscreens. And I love this, you guys. The fact that this is an inexpensive sunscreen and it is like one of the best I've ever tried is phenomenal to me, and I'm so happy that I discovered this, and I probably will never purchase another sunscreen. Let me take that back, because I most likely will. I mean, I'm trying to test out stuff, but I just don't think I'll ever like anything as much as this. Like, this is so good. So here it says that it is a broad spectrum UVA and UVB. I need coffee. It says water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes, and it quenches skin with hydration. It's non-greasy and it won't clog pores. That is what I love about it. This does not make me break out. It does not clog my pores. It doesn't feel like a very heavy step that I just put on my face where you can physically feel it on your skin. I just love this. Like, look at the back of my hand, you guys. It is not greasy or oily. It's just healthy looking, and I love this sunscreen. Okay, the next product I'm going to mention is something called the new Derma. This is a high frequency wand, and this is just the wand piece of it. This comes with a few different pieces, and what this essentially is for anti-aging. It is for blemish prone skin, and that is exactly what I have been using this for. This has a lot of benefits, but I find myself using this the most for counteracting blemishes. And you guys, this feels like you're at a spa. This stuff works so good if you stick to it and if you're consistent. If you are not having consistency in the products you're using, obviously they're not going to work overnight, but I find that if you're consistent with this, you will see results really quickly, and I love this. I bought this off Amazon, like I would say a year or two ago, and I feel like this is one of the things that heavily contributed to me getting my acne completely turned around. You guys, I'm not even kidding you. So on Amazon, this says that it's a breakthrough fusion applicator. It has a clinical grade system which features a more powerful wand, and it has neon and argan applicators. This provides a skin boosting anti-aging benefit of neon and blemish and inflammation fighting power of argan in one universal delivery system. They work synergistically to offer the complete spectrum of skin therapies, creating beautiful radiant skin while shortening treatment duration. The high-frequency treatments are safe and 100% natural way of boosting your entire skin profile, no matter what your skin type. New Derma Clinical turns back the clock by energizing and oxygenating skin at the cellular level. It kills any subdermal causes of inflammation to control blemishes and ensure a smoother complexion 90% faster. You'll see a difference after just a single session, which is what it says on here. It provides better absorption of your beauty serums and creams. Your preferred beauty creams and serums are expensive, and New Derma ensures that you're getting their maximum effects by improving your skin's receptiveness to absorption. This helps ensure that maximum absorption into the deeper layers of your skin, which boosts their effects by up to 5 times, which is incredible because obviously we want to get optimal results and use of the products we're applying to our skin. So if you do get this in the mail, excuse the noise, this is the box that it comes in, and you get different applicators that come with this. I believe there's 5 different applicators, 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. So the first one is this, which I have not used too much, I'm going to be honest, but this helps to promote hair growth, and it is for your hair. As you can see, it's shaped into a comb. The ones I use the most are these 3, and these are perfect for acne. I find that the small little one is perfect for targeting spots. This is just good for overall, like just wanting to swipe across your whole face, and this just makes all my skincare products feel like it's just going way below the surface, which I love. And this is just good for bigger spots. I love this system. I truly stand behind it. It is so good. I feel like this is something that feels like you're kind of pampering yourself, which I really enjoy. And yeah, I love this. I completely stand behind the benefits of this because I have tried it out and I completely have confidence in this system if you are consistent with it. I forgot to mention the price of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go back and see the price here. What was this? So I ordered this in 2020. I'm sorry if I said 2 years ago, it definitely was more. But the price of this is $300. Is that what it says on here? Yes, this is $336, which I know is very expensive, you guys, but I feel like this is one of the things that truly contributed to my skin doing a complete turnaround. And I love this stuff so much. I do forget sometimes to use it. I forget I have it because it's stored away in my drawers. And I'm the kind of person where if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. So, you know, that's my big issue. But yeah, I definitely recommend this if it's something that you feel like would benefit you based off the claims and stuff that I read. So I'm not saying everybody should have it, but if you feel like it's something you need, then I definitely recommend it. Okay, last product I want to mention is killing me inside because it is literally my favorite thing right now and I can't eat it because I'm fasting. It is potato chips. Now, if you guys would like to know, I am behind potato chips 100%. I will take a bag of potato chips over a chocolate bar any day of the week. I am not into sweets. I prefer savory and salty way more, and yeah, I just love potato chips so much. It's the reason why I do not have a bikini body as of yet. Anyways, these are chips that I've really been loving lately. These are the Miss Vickies all dressed up potato chips. Oh my god, you guys. First of all, I always thought that the like best all dressed chips were Ruffles, but even those were not my favorite. I feel like I would only buy them if I was craving them, but these, they are so good. I feel like these are so tasty. You honestly cannot just have a little bit of these chips. You will literally go through the whole bag in a sitting like I tend to do, unless I have self-control and I eat almost the whole bag, which is like very rare. This stuff is so yummy. I love Miss Vickies chips. If you're Canadian, this is like literally very Canadian-esque. I don't know if Miss Vickies is sold in the States. I don't think it is, but this is a rite of passage for us Canadians. Miss Vickies is so good. They have a jalapeno flavor, and you guys, that flavor is so nostalgic to me because I remember the day my family and I became Canadian citizens. That is the bag of chips we bought at Superstore. They were like big sizes, and we ate that on the SkyTrain back home, and that's like a memory that's like engulfed into my subconscious, and it always will be, and it's one of the best memories I have growing up and like childhood. I have such a nostalgic relationship with Miss Vickies. I truly love their potato chips. I feel like all of them are really good, but I prefer some over the others, and this, so good. Also, if you guys have not tried the spicy dill pickle, check that out if you're into pickles. I know it's not for everybody, but I love pickles and it's so good. So yeah, this was my last favorite and I cannot wait to eat these. I'm fasting, so I don't know why I do this to myself, but oh, so good. Check it out. Okay, my loves, that was everything for this favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot wait to continue filming for you guys, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye!